All right, everyone, let's go ahead and get our chicken ready. We need to get it out of the package, pack it dry. Now let's go ahead and build our seasoning packs. Garlic, cayenne, onion, black pepper, salt, a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of cumin. Let's go ahead and get it all mixed together. Once doing that, we want to go ahead and spread it all over the chicken on both sides and let it sit for about a half an hour. Now time to fire up the egg. Let's get that cover off. Let's get that egg open. Let's get it all lit up. Use a little bit of lightning, and let's get this egg ready to go. Remember, we are doing a deep sear today, so we want to go ahead and add those 4 inches of risers on there so we can get that nice deep sear in our chicken. Let's go ahead and add our Fogo charcoal, and let's give this guy about a half hour to get ready. Oh, don't forget, we need to add those wood chunks in too. Let's get our grate on. Let's adjust our airflow. Now that our egg's ready to go, let's get our chicken on. Let it go for around 350 degrees for about a half an hour. Now it's time to go ahead and make our cheese dip. So that starts with dicing 1 white onion, sauteing in a bit of butter, adding a little bit of kosher salt until our onions are nice and deep and caramelized. Then adding black beans, fire roasted tomatoes, a couple of bay leaves. Oh, don't forget to check on that chicken. Now we want to go ahead and add a little bit of wine as a deglaze and then cook that out. Add in an entire block of Velveeta. I know that's a lot, but I promise it's going to taste really, really good. Stir it with a spoon. Get it all nice and mixed in. Now let's go back. Let's go ahead and check on that chicken. Look at it. It looks perfectly seared. So let's get it off to rest for about 25-30 minutes. After resting, we want to go ahead and chop it up and check it for juiciness. Let's go ahead and see how it looks. That looks fantastic. Next, we want to go ahead and give it a little taste. Oh yeah, there's that super juice again. Fantastic. Oh yeah, that was extremely good. Very, very barky. I'm very, very happy with that. Let's go ahead and let's do one more bite. I just want to try it again one more time. It was just so good to make. Yes, it's definitely going to be good in what we're making. So here's a little bit of a deconstructed chip. I'll leave the type of chips down in the description, but these are a flaxseed chip. Very, very good with our dip, very good with our chicken. But we went ahead and set out to make all of this so that it was a one-pot meal. So let's get our chicken mixed in there. Let's grab a chip. Let's try it with the chicken in there. That looks fantastic. Oh, wow. That was actually even better than I thought. That was super delicious, super decadent, very rich. And here's our product. This is what it looks like. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this with me. If you could, please go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please go ahead and leave them down below. Have a fantastic barbecue week.